Bonjour. During the budget presentation, you will also present the CAPEX. CAPEX for capital expenditure. This presentation represents all the purchases you are going to make to improve the hotel or operation, for example, the purchase of a new computer server, the purchase of a new dishwashing machine, the change of the carpet in the common areas, etc. It is never very easy to plan a year in advance for all the expenses you will incur, but you must be more than 90% successful. You should be aware that CAPEX can represent a very large budget because it can go up to 5% of your annual incomes and therefore quickly reach several $100,000. In the next video, we will see the cash flow projection.